Are you worried your Otter.ai account is one password away from being hacked? Learn how to enable two-factor authentication in under 3 minutes. We'll start in your account settings, then select an authenticator app, scan the QR code, and verify the code to turn on two-factor authentication. Head to the Otter.ai homepage. Click your profile at the top left. From the menu, select Account Settings. Now in the top bar, click on Security. Click Set Up. Next, you'll choose your authentication method. The Authenticator app is preferred. Then click Set Up. Then scan the QR code below with your phone's Authenticator app. Once scanned, enter the 6-digit verification code the app generates. Click Verify to complete the setup. Two-factor authentication is now on. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.